Hi everyone, back with me Tasha Angel. Today I want a storytelling. The title about a fox and a cat. So stay tuned in the video guys. Fox and a cat. One day, a cat and a fox were having a conversation. The fox, who was a conceited creature, boasted how clever she was. Why, I know at least 100 tricks to get away from our mutual enemies, the dogs, she said. I know only one trick to get away from dogs, said the cat. You should teach me some of yours. Well, maybe someday, when I have the time, I may teach you a few of the simpler ones, replied the fox airily. Just then, they heard the barking of a pack of dogs in the distance. The barking grew louder and louder. The dogs were coming in their direction. At once the cat ran to the nearest tree and clambered into its branches, well out of reach of any dogs. This is the trick I told you about, the only one I know, said the cat. Which one of your 100 tricks are you going to use? The fox sat silently under the tree, wondering which trick she should use. Before she could make up her mind, the dogs arrived. They fell upon the fox and tore her to pieces. Moral of the story: a single plan that works in better than 100 double plans